pretty early in the morning right now. Not a lot of bee activity. These are the Italian bees. They just saw me. So now they're starting to come out and look at me. I don't have my bee suit on. So I'm gonna back up a little. This is the other Italian beehive that we have. The one you just saw was our new ones. These are our old ones. He's about to go tell his peoples that I'm here. There's a little soldier bees on that. I don't know if you can see them. They'll start to come out in a couple of seconds because they saw me. Or they're just chill, because those bees are pretty chill. Here's the Russian bees. They're more active, I think, because the sun hits them, so it warms their hive up faster. They're bigger bees. Their honey is really sweet. And they come around the other side of the hive. They're beautiful. They just saw me. Now they're like around me right now. And I'm pretty barefoot, shorts and short sleeves. But man, these little guys are awesome. So way over in the distance we have watermelon and cantaloupe and other melons, and then we have corn here that is just starting to grow, and unfortunately the crows were trying to get to it. And right here is sweet potatoes and regular potatoes and a whole bunch of squash and zucchinis, all different types. Very, very delicious. I've been giving them out to everybody. And then as we move over here, we have tomatoes along the fence. And then there are more melons and cucumbers and more tomatoes and more squash. So delicious. There's pole beans over there. There's up where you see the bamboo like tower thing, teepee thing over there. Yeah, we just made that. That was cool. And there's garlic. That garlic is amazing. And then in this garden is potatoes and onions, garlic, broccoli, eggplant, little tiny ones, long ones, jalapenos and Hungarian wax, green peppers, red peppers, and yellow peppers, tomatoes, beans, more tomatoes. Oh, that was soybeans too. Edamames, as everybody else calls them. I gotta watch. And then more squash, because we love squash. And then there's kohlrabi up front. And then all of our herbs. Fresh food. Always fresh food. Williams, we love you.